These are the 20 best dash cams of 2024, and we're gonna rank each of them from God tier to trash tier. Links to all of these dash cams mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 1. Nexar Pro. This dual camera setup is a game changer for those who need both dash cam and in-car security. I love that it offers 1080p video quality backed by GPS data, and the free cloud storage is a huge plus. The app has some cool tricks up its sleeve too. But heads up, the interior camera needs to be stuck to your screen, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. Oh, and it can be a bit of a battery drain on your phone. Still, for high mileage drivers, this is a solid choice. I'm putting this in the great tier because it offers great value and functionality. Number 2. Kenwood DVR A6001W. Alright, let's talk about this 4K beauty. The video quality is crisp and I'm digging the built-in GPS. Plus you can hardwire it to your car's battery to avoid those annoying engine start-stop issues. But here's the thing. The dual camera setup can be a bit fiddly, and the night vision could use some improvement. It's a solid option for those who want high-quality daytime footage without breaking the bank. I'm placing this in the good tier because while it's got some great features, it's not quite top of the line. Number 3. Cobra SC400D. Now this is a dash cam that means business. The video quality is absolutely fantastic, both day and night, front and back. I'm loving the 3-inch touchscreen display and the voice control features. And if you're into Alexa, you're in luck because it's got that too. But let's be real, it's pretty pricey and the rear camera isn't removable. If you're looking for top-notch video quality and don't mind splurging a bit, this could be your jam. I'm putting this in the great tier because of its excellent performance, even though the price tag might make some folks hesitate. Number 4. Garmin DriveCam 76. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of dash cams. It's not just a dash cam, it's a full-on sat-nav too. The user interface is super slick, and the navigation is even better than what you'd get on your smartphone. It's packed with tons of useful connected features. But here's the kicker. It's expensive as heck, and the dash cam's video stability could use some work. If you're a serious road tripper who wants it all and doesn't mind paying for it, this is your golden ticket. I'm slapping this bad boy in the God tier because it's just so darn feature-packed and versatile. Number 5. Rexing V1P Pro. This one's got front and rear cameras recording in 1080p, which is nice for capturing action all around your car. The wide-angle lenses gives you a good field of view too, but the Wi-Fi connectivity can be finicky sometimes, which is annoying when you're trying to access footage. It's a decent option if you want dual cameras on a budget, but there are better choices out there. I'm putting this in the average tier. It gets the job done, but doesn't really stand out from the crowd. Number 6. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Garmin knows their stuff when it comes to GPS, and that shines through here. The 180-degree lens captures a ton of detail, and the 1440p resolution is crisp. I love the voice control for hands-free operation while driving. The connected features like auto-uploading incidents to the cloud are handy too. It's on the pricier side though, and you'll need to pay extra for some of the advanced features. Overall, I think this belongs in good tier. It's a solid performer with some cool tricks up its sleeve. Number 7. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Don't let the tiny size fool you. This little guy packs a punch. It's super discreet, barely bigger than a key fob. The 1080p video quality is great for such a small camera. I'm impressed by how easy it is to use, with intuitive voice commands. The smartphone app works well for viewing and sharing footage too. The only real downside is no built-in display, but that's the trade-off for the compact design. I'm putting this in great tier. It's perfect if you want a dash cam that's small but mighty. Number 8. Thinkware F200 Pro. Now this is what I call a premium dash cam. The video quality is outstanding with crisp 1080p footage day and night. I love how slim and sleek the design is. It practically disappears behind your rear view mirror. The smartphone app is really well done, making it easy to access and manage your recordings. You get tons of advanced features like lane departure warnings and time-lapse recording. It is on the expensive side, but you're getting top-notch quality. This is a no-brainer for God tier in my book. It's the cream of the crop for dash cams. Number 9. RoR3 Dash Cam. This dash cam is an absolute beast. It's got 3 rotatable cameras in one unit, making installation a breeze compared to separate front and rear cameras. The video quality is crisp and clear day or night. I love that it has Wi-Fi for easy setup and a user-friendly app. The only downside is it's a bit pricey, but you get what you pay for. For anyone wanting comprehensive coverage without the hassle, this is it. I'm putting this bad boy in God tier without hesitation. Number 10. Thinkware F70 Pro. Compact and sleek, this little cam packs a punch with its 1080p video. The Wi-Fi connectivity and phone app are nice touches for easy setup and viewing. However, the lack of a built-in display and GPS is a bit of a letdown. It's a solid choice for those who want a no-frills, set-it-and-forget-it dash cam. Considering its pros and cons, I'm placing this one in good tier. Number 11. Viofo A129. This 3-channel system is impressive. You get front, rear, and cabin coverage with excellent 1440p video quality. The GPS and voice control are awesome additions. I'm a big fan of how the rear camera matches the front in quality. That's rare. The only real downside is dealing with all those wires during installation. For anyone wanting maximum coverage and features, this is the way to go. It's a no-brainer for me to put this in God tier. Number 12. Vantrue E1. This little gem is a pleasant surprise. It's super compact, which I love, and the video quality during the day is top-notch. The voice control and remote are neat features too. But here's the catch. Night footage can be grainy, and you need to remove that filter for better low-light performance. It's a bit of a hassle, but not a deal-breaker. For those who primarily drive during the day and want a discrete cam, this is a great option. I'm feeling good about putting this in the great tier. Number 13. Vantrue N4 Pro. This dash cam is a beast. It's got a 3-channel setup with 4K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear cameras. The Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor gives you killer night vision, which is clutch for those late-night drives. I'm loving the voice control feature. It's like having a little AI assistant in your car. The GPS is a nice touch too, but let's be real, the $379.99 price tag might make your wallet cry a little. Still, for what you're getting, I'd say it's much worth it. I'm putting this bad boy in the gray tier. It's not quite godly, but it's definitely up there. Number 14. Vantrue N2 Pro. Alright, let's talk about this dual camera powerhouse. You've got 1440p front and 1080p inside. Perfect for Uber drivers or anyone who wants to keep an eye on their car's interior. The infrared night vision is a game changer for those dark rides. And get this, it's only $169.99. That's a steal for what you're getting. Sure, it's not as fancy as its bigger brother, the M4 Pro, but it gets the job done and then some. I'm feeling generous, so I'm slapping this in the gray tier too. It's a solid choice that won't break the bank. Number 15. Blackview DR900 X2 CH. This dash cam is on another level. We're talking 4K Ultra HD front camera and HD rear camera. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS are sweet, and the cloud connectivity? Chef's kiss. It's like having your own personal surveillance system on wheels. The parking mode and voltage monitor are clutch for keeping your car safe even when you're not around. Now, it's not cheap. We're looking at $345 to $460 depending on the package. But for what you're getting, it's worth every penny. I'm calling it right now. This is God tier material. It's the cream of the crop, the top dog, well, you get the idea. Number 16. Thinkware U1000. This bad boy packs a serious punch with its 4K Ultra HD resolution. I gotta say the night vision and wide-angle view are pretty sweet for catching all the action on the road. But here's the kicker. It's not exactly budget-friendly, with prices ranging from $329.99 to $449.99. If you're a tech enthusiast with cash to spare, this might be your jam. After weighing the pros and cons, I'm putting this one in the good tier. It's solid, but the price tag keeps it from climbing higher. Number 17. Viofo A129 Pro Duo. Holy smokes, this dash cam is a game changer. We're talking 4K front camera and 1080p rear, all for a price that won't make your wallet cry. At around $199.99 to $219.99, the Wi-Fi and GPS features are clutch for easy file transfer and location tracking. Plus that Sony sensor, the best for image quality. It's perfect for anyone who wants top-notch performance without breaking the bank. I'm absolutely stoked about this one, folks. It's a no-brainer for me. This baby's going straight to the God tier. Number 18. Thinkware X1000. Let's talk about this middle-of-the-road champion. The X1000 brings 2K QHD resolution to the table, which is pretty decent if you ask me. It's got that sweet front and rear camera setup, perfect for covering all your bases. Price-wise, it's sitting at a cool $219.99, which isn't too shabby. It's a solid choice for folks who want quality without going overboard on features or price. After mulling it over, I'm feeling good about slotting this one into the gray tier. It's not mind-blowing, but it definitely gets the job done with style. So there you have it. These are my personal ratings for all of the most popular best dash cams of 2024. Links to all of these best dash cams will be in the description below. Do you agree with me on these rankings or not? Leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.